Because when all the drama of the V8 and the power and the speed goes away, you are left with a daily cruiser, a daily driver that does everything you need. Will you be fine with the turbocharged inline 6 of the X5? Or are you looking to shop more value and get a lot of these luxury amenities in an Acura MDX Type S? The Acura is definitely the value alternative. The powertrain is not as sexy as even that inline 6, the B58 in the X5. But it's just something to think about. I also think the Acura does a good job of being a 0 to 100, I guess, but balanced between being comfort, that adaptive air suspension really smooths out the corners and the bumps and the everything of the car. And then when you throw into sport, it really stiffens up. You have good feedback. It definitely hides its weight. SH all-wheel drive, or the super handling all-wheel drive of the Acura, definitely hides the weight of that 3-row mid-size SUV. It's not slow. It's not as fast as the X5 with even its turbocharged inline 6 or this V8. But I think that's just a decision you're gonna have to make yourself. Or don't, and just get this X5 with this lovely twin turbocharged V8. I'm in the market for one of these, and this is a tough decision.